Rocks around downtown. Identifying architectural rocks in downtown Greensboro by Jamie Danis. First is the sedimentary rock limestone found in southern Indiana. Next is the metamorphic rock marble found in northern Italy. Next is also marble. It's a metamorphic rock also found in northern Italy. The fourth is the metamorphic rock slate found in the northeastern USA. The fifth are assorted types of granite. They're igneous, found in the western North Carolina district. Next is white granite, also igneous, found in western North Carolina. Red granite, igneous, found in western North Carolina. White granite is igneous, found in western North Carolina. White granite is igneous, found in western North Carolina. Next is pegmatite granite, which is igneous, found in western North Carolina. Gabbro, which is igneous, also found in western North Carolina. And sandstone, which is a sedimentary rock found in northern West Virginia. Thank you.